the garden wild and free. A lotus wakes beside the sea. Poppies dance in morning dew. Asters whisper secrets new. Hydrangeas hug the shaded lane. Sunflowers twirl in sunny plains. Zinnias blaze with colors bright. Wisteria dreams in purple light. Blooming hearts in every hue. Every petal shines through. Magnolias and lilacs lean. Whisper soft in garden scenes. Lantanas laugh in fading light. Globe thistles stand in silver night. Iris waves with regal air. Bleeding hearts are everywhere. Bird of paradise takes flight. Cherry blossoms pure delight. Chrysanthemums in autumn glow in this garden low.